Well, thank you all. So I'm just trying to make you understand some uh, easy sentence, how to write some easy sentence, but this should be somewhat long sentence. So first, you all of you can write. I can write. So just add what before it. So what I can write. Then t- take it as a subject. What I can write, just subject. It's you can just imagine it as a subject. So what I can write, then verb, then object or verb. So modal verbs. So what I can write can stand out. আমি যা লিখতে পারি সেটা অন্যদের চাইতে ভিন্ন হতে পারে। ইউ আর সেইং, তুমি বলছো। হোয়াট ইউ আর সেইং, তুমি যা বলছো। সো জাস্ট put this total part as subject. So what you are saying, তুমি যা বলছো, is totally wrong. Then I'm just coming up with another sentence which is it is totally wrong. So what you are saying is totally wrong. Like I don't believe you. So here you is a object and you can call it as a noun. So here you can also put a whole sentence like this. I don't believe what you are saying.